welcome to my first nighttime routine as a stay-at-home mom. Depending on the activities that we are having every night, it's the time that we end up eating dinner. As a stay-at-home mom, sometimes it's easier that we have meal preps as I used to do it. I have a couple of months that I stopped doing that, but I'll probably gonna have to start all over again in a few more weeks. But this night I was craving chicken Caesar salad, but this is not going to be your typical chicken Caesar salad. It is from scratch, and I'm also adding berries. I love strawberries and blueberries on any type of salad. I am going to help myself with my Ninja, and I'm telling you, if you don't have a Ninja in your home or any type of air fryer, you got to put that on your Christmas list, because that it's going to be your baby throughout the whole year. The chicken or any type of food that you make on the air fryer tastes so good. I love how juicy the chicken is all the time, and then it is so crunchy on the outside. When I make salads, I got to make sure that I prepped all of the fruits or veggies that I'm going to be using, but I usually don't combine them all together. Everyone makes their own salad the way they want. I just have all the ingredients on the side, and then everyone preps their own salad. And that's what I'm doing in here. I gotta make sure that I cut the strawberries, which it's everyone's favorite. I like strawberries, but to me, I feel that blueberries are my staple on my salad, and also croutons, and that's why I try to make mine from scratch this night. I did had everything to make my own croutons. All I had to do is just cut the bread, and again, you may use the air fryer. This time I didn't have to because the bread was already hard, and I just added the combination of butter, garlic, and herbs. And then I'm also going to grate some Parmesan cheese, and I have all my ingredients ready for my salad. You could just prep your own salad, add your favorite dressing, and there you have it. A typical but not typical Caesar salad. And depending on how I'm feeling on that night, I will have a glass of wine or a cup of coffee, which most of the times it's a cup of coffee. I know that sometimes we eat a little bit late, and coffee, it's not a good combination in the night. But since I am working from home, sometimes I do go to sleep pretty late, and I sometimes need that caffeine in order for me to stay awake a little bit longer. We try to eat as a family, but because the kids are getting older, sometimes that it's a little difficult, and we'll just eat all together with whoever is at home. This night, my oldest son was picking up my other son from work, and I just had two of my kids to eat dinner. But again, whenever we are able to, we try to eat as a family all together. I also try to clean the kitchen and put everything away once we're done eating dinner. That is a priority for me, just because I love to wake up with a clean kitchen. Now, sometimes that really doesn't work, because I honestly get really tired in times, and the last thing that I want to be doing is continue cleaning. But I try really hard. Most of the time, 90% of the time, I will clean the kitchen before I go into my real night routine for myself. This is a combination of my night routine for myself, just to pamper myself, but also including a little bit of my real mom lifestyle, which is making dinner, cleaning the kitchen, and just making sure that everything is ready and set for the following day, and we can have a productive day, especially for myself, because I know that the kids go to school, but if I have my kitchen clean, it just sets the mood every single morning. We'll typically watch 1 or 2 episodes of any show that we are watching in the moment, but this is something that my husband and I try to do every single night. We'll watch 1 or 2, but again, that is always depending on how we are feeling, how tired he is, how tired I am. Once we're done with that, then we're off into my personal nighttime care routine.
smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this soul heart be? And I fall into peace and silence.